Let's make sausage and sabudana. I'm talking about crispy fried bacon, sausage fried with potato in bacon fat, and that's what makes this Sabudana Khichdi an absolute winner. Now your veggie breakfast has that protein punch. Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Folks, today we're going to be cooking up a popular Indian vegetarian dish called Sabudana Khichdi. Now sabudana for my non-Indian friends are basically tapioca pearls, and khichdi is a popular dish made with rice and lentils. It's like a savory porridge. So this is Sabudana Khichdi. We're going to be cooking it up today and we're going to be asking the question, will it meet? Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. Sabudana is tapioca pearls, and for this recipe we need 1 cup of them. We're going to give it a wash under some running water, and then we're going to soak it in 1 cup of water for about 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, the water should have dried up and our sabudana is ready to use for this recipe. We're going to take half a cup of roasted and salted peanuts and give them a rough smash in a mortar and pestle, and then set those aside. I'm using some pork kraukya sausages for this recipe, which I will cut into bite-sized pieces. And I also have some streaky bacon, which I will chop into small pieces. I get my pan on the stove and throw in the chopped bacon along with half a cup of water, and this is how I'm going to speed up the process of rendering out the bacon fat. As the water cooks and the fat renders out, pretty soon your bacon will be frying in its own fat. And once it's nice and crispy, remove it from the pan. Into the residual bacon fat, we're going to add a little bit of ghee for flavor, and then in go some cumin seeds, green chilies, curry leaves, the chopped sausages and 2 chopped boiled potatoes. And now you just want to fry that. You want to fry it till the sausage is nice and caramelized and you get a bit of that golden color on the potatoes. Once you have achieved golden perfection, then we're going to add in the crushed peanuts and also the sabudana and give it all a good mix. Add a splash of water and then cover and cook for 3 minutes. Open it up, give it one final good mix, and then finish with fresh coriander and the crispy fried bacon. Now I lied because there was still one final good mix left in me. And then our Sabudana Khichdi with sausage and bacon is ready, and it looks great. Plate it up in a bowl, or am I bowling it up in a plate? Anyway, I gotta show you that front camera shot, and then of course taste it for the camera as well. Anyway, let's find out what everyone else has to say, so enough jibber jabber, time to taste.
Hi, I'm Peter Kodikalapudi and I work in the content business.
Hi, my name is Man and I'm actually still a student.
My name is Dipti Unni. Hi, bye.
Okay, obviously, have you eaten Sabudana Khichdi before?
A lot.
Yeah, I have.
Yes, I have.
And do you like Sabudana Khichdi?
Only on Tuesdays because that's when most people fast and it's available also. So yeah, that's when I sometimes ended up ordering it like a breakfast kind of thing sometimes.
I love Sabudana Khichdi, but it's a pain to make because I never remember to soak the Sabudana at once.
I do.
On a scale of 1 to 10, where does normal Sabudana Khichdi rate for you?
Wait, how?
I would say 8.
8. No, 7. When it becomes Sabudana Vada, it's an 8.5.
Okay, so Sabudana Khichdi as it is?
7.
I'd say about 6 to 7. I mean, like, if it's available, I'll eat it, but I won't like go out of my way to eat Sabudana Khichdi. I'm not that kind of guy.
So is it 6 or 7? Decide.
6.
So what if I told you I'm going to feed you Sabudana Khichdi with sausage and bacon?
I'm all for it.
So unnecessary.
It actually sounds like something I would go for. So yeah, this would make it maybe a 7 or 8, but depends on the sausage and...
But we'll wait for you to taste it. So here's Sabudana Khichdi with bacon and sausage. Please dig in.
So I must congratulate you on this very unsticky Sabudana Khichdi. That's very hard to do.
It's a good, as long as it's good sausage and good bacon.
Wow, that was an interesting mix.
It's a nice salty hit. I can't taste the bacon at all.
But sausage is really nice.
It's such a clash. It's like eating brunch with like your favorite breakfast items and a snack item. But yeah, interesting.
And sausage is like a little chewy, salty, munchy. It's nice, I don't know if it's doing more than a normal Sabudana Khichdi. It's interesting. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, to be fair. It's not bad at all, actually.
I like sausage and I like bacon. But like you take sausage, bacon and Sabudana Khichdi, it's like...
Sabudana Khichdi is usually, not that flavorful per se, but that good fattiness which was added. It was a nice touch to the dish. That's really nice.
Doesn't need the bacon. Just for the sausage, it should have been even tastier. The bacon is doing nothing.
And I've always had it like with dahi or something sweet, so you actually get chutney or dahi to add with this. So this is a good alternative. So yeah, if you want to spice up your Sabudana Khichdi.
God damn, I miss Sabudana Khichdi. All the things that my husband will not make for me.
I will literally make it for you now. It's so easy. So if you had to rate this now on a scale of 1 to 10, with your regular Sabudana Khichdi being 8, where does this fall?
I would say 8.2. Yeah.
7. It doesn't change anything about the Sabudana Khichdi. It's probably an extra hit of protein. Would I miss it if it was not there? No. Am I enjoying the Sabudana Khichdi just as much? Yes. So it's a 7.
Oh, for sure 8, man. Like this is way better. Especially I like how when the peanuts coated in the bacon fat and all tastes so much different.
So then the meat does make it better?
It does, yes, it does.
Alright, and I guess that answers the question, will it meet?
Yeah, well.
Alright folks, it's time for me to taste the Sabudana Khichdi. And to be very honest, there is pretty much nothing in this world that will convince me to order or to make Sabudana Khichdi on any normal day. But today is not a normal day. Today we are asking the question, will it meet? And I've put bacon and sausage in this Sabudana Khichdi. And that is the only reason I am eating Sabudana Khichdi. Because it's not a terrible dish or anything, but it's just very unexciting. And I'm not a big fan of vegetarian food, as most of you know. Unless it's chole bhature, that's a different story. But anyway, let's give this a try. The sausage and the potato together just make this worth eating. Like normally I would not eat Sabudana Khichdi, but the beautiful caramelization on the potato and the sausage and that pokey flavor, even the bacon is not as prominent in this. You can put more bacon obviously, but the sausage and the potato, wow, that's really making this dish what it is. And the crunch of the peanuts. Honestly, if you like Sabudana Khichdi, this makes it better. If you need a reason to eat Sabudana Khichdi, this gives you the reason. And on that note, I think we've answered the question, will it meet? It definitely does. I hope you guys are going to make this at home. Let me know what you think once you do, and I'll see you on the next episode. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. A big thank you to all my subscribers on Patreon and here on the YouTube channel memberships. If you join the club, well, you can get involved in helping me decide which vegetarian dish I will make next with meat, and we will answer the question together, will it meet? So thank you once again. Hope to see you on either Patreon or the channel memberships. Cheers.